lovelies! Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week we drew this artwork which was influenced by popular pop art artist named Roy Lichtenstein. And we wanted to create somebody that is all powerful and almighty, and who can this be? None other than God. And so we created this artwork using the style of pop art, and we created this wonderful drawing with God with the shield to protect us, and he's all powerful and he's almighty. And boys and girls, I can't wait. I haven't seen any of your work yet, and so I'm waiting with bated breath to see your wonderful work, and so I can't wait to see it. So this week, as we're in the Creole season, it's actually Independence, I thought, let's do something to do with our culture. Something exotic. What about a tropical fruit basket? So let's get started. Boys and girls, I was thinking of tropical fruits, and I thought of first of all maybe having this. Can anybody guess what this is? Well, maybe when I do this you'll be able to get it. Can you guess what it is now? That's right, it's a coconut. This is so exotic, everybody. When we think of coconuts, we think of the Caribbean, and we make lovely milkshakes with coconut and ice pops and lovely things like that. So we're going to draw coconut that is uncut. And because it has a hard shell, when you get an adult to cut that, it has a very hard flesh inside of it. They call, well, it's a nut really, and it's white. So let's continue drawing the outside part, which is brown. So in our exotic basket, or our exotic dish, we're going to have a coconut. Then we're going to have in our fruit basket, a tropical fruit basket, something that looks like this. Tell me if you know what it is when I do this. So it goes up like this, and it goes down like this, and then it goes like this, but then it goes a bit like this. And then you have something like that, and then you have something like this, and then it goes like that. Then it has seeds like this. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a slice of melon. Yummy melon. Okay. And boys and girls, also we're going to, because it can be cut in different shapes and sizes, and they come in different shapes and sizes, we can draw one big melon like that, and another cut melon like this, which is the popular way that we usually buy it when we go to the market. It's usually something like that. That's right. And then we have the seeds coming like this, and so we have the melon going like that, and it has something like that going there, and then we have the melon, this watermelon. Sometimes you get it plain green, but sometimes you get some lines going through. It depends what watermelon. And let's have a mango in there, because we all love mangoes, don't we? A mango is an irregular shape. It's not round, but it's like a shape like this. And they have different names for them. This one looks like a mango long. All right, and in our fruit basket, we can have perhaps this exotic fruit. It's a circular one like that. And then it has the top looking something like this. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a guava. And then when you cut that guava in half, you get this really, really rich pink flesh inside, and it's absolutely sweet and nice, with many hundreds and hundreds, should we say, many seeds anyway, in the center. Don't know if it's hundreds, but certainly is a lot. So we got our guava, we've got our mango, we've got our coconut, we've got some melons right here. What else is tropical? Well, we have a lot of bananas in Dominica. So shall we draw a couple of bananas? So we start from here, it goes down like that, and then it goes in like this, and then we have connected to this bunch like that. We have another one going down like this. Lovely. Then we have our lovely bananas. You can have another banana going down, but it's hidden by the watermelon like that. Good job. Doing really well. I think we should have another banana going that way. Good. So we've got banana, we've got melon, we've got guava, we've got mango, we've got coconut. So I think we need to put this in a big tray. So let's just draw something looking like this to show that it's in a lovely tray, ready for us to enjoy. All right, boys and girls, and there you have your fruit basket. I can't wait to see your fruit basket. Color it in and enjoy your Independence weekend. And God bless you. Happy Independence. Bye.